Hi children, welcome back to our basic science class. Today we are going to learn about adulteration. Do you know what is adulteration? Adulteration is adding to food items cheap and low quality materials that resemble food substances. Adding water or rice soup to milk is adulteration. Mixing brick powder with chili powder and mixing powdered tamarind seed coat with coffee powder are also adulteration. The removal of quality components from a substance can also be considered as adulteration. Have you heard about preservatives? Yes, preservatives are substances added to food items to preserve them for a long time. Salt solution, sugar solution, oil, vinegar, etc. are commonly used traditional preservatives. Apart from these, synthetic chemicals are also used. Example, sodium benzoate, potassium sulfate, etc. Adulterating food can lead to several health problems. In pepper, adulterant is dry papaya seed, mineral oil coating, etc. Possible disorder or disease, stomach getting upset, liver disease. Dal, adulterant kesari dal, disease, paralysis. In milk, water or starch are commonly used adulterant. Its possible disorder is the quality reduction. Then chili powder, the adulterant is brick powder. Disease or possible disorder is stomach liver related diseases. In sugar, the common adulterant is chalk powder, semolina, fine sand. Its possible disorder or disease, stomach liver related diseases. In tea, the common adulterant is artificial color. It causes stomach diseases. Children, let's look how we can find the adulteration in food items. First, knowing by sight and smell. Color can be combined by spreading the powder on sheets of paper. How can we compare homemade powders with purchased curry powders? Take water in 2 glass tumblers. Put the powders to be compared in each tumbler and stir well. The difference in sedimentation and color can be thus examined. And a hand lens can be used to examine them. Children, have you ever seen this instrument? This is lactometer. This is used to find out the quantity of water added to milk. Let's look. How can we find out whether milk is adulterated with water? At first, lactometer is immersed. The milk is not adulterated. That is pure milk. In second glass, add milk and water. Then immerse the lactometer into the second glass tumbler. If the milk sample is pure, the lactometer floats. If it is adulterated or impure, the lactometer sinks. Let's look how to make a lactometer. Take a long straw, fold the bottom end a little and tie with a string. Put small metal balls inside the straw. Sand may also be used instead of metal balls. place it in water and try to balance it. If it does not stand steady, add 1 or 2 more metal balls into the straw so that it stands steady. Now the instrument is ready. While dipping it in each of the boiling tubes, mark the liquid level on the straw using marker pens of different colors. Children, let's observe. How can starch be detected if it is added to milk? Add a few drops of iodine solution to your milk. If the solution turns dark blue, it can be referred that a lot of starch is mixed. Adulteration of food substances is a social evil because it causes many dangerous diseases. Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. This act, which gives directions for taking necessary precaution to ensure the quality and safety of food substances. It came into effect in 2006. This was modified in 2011. Violating the Food Safety Act and related rules is punishable. Many chemicals are used to impart color. Artificial chemicals should not be added to impart color to any food substances that is cooked and used. Such chemicals are usually added to bakery items. Addition of these substances above the permissible limit and their continuous use can affect the functioning of the liver and kidney. These are the chemicals allowed to be used in permissible measure. The color red, chemical carmosin, erythrocin, ponce4R. Yellow color, tartacin, sunset yellow. Blue color, indigo carmine, brilliant blue. Green color, fast green. How can you ensure the quality of food substances? The quality of food substances is tested by an agency named Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. UGG mark. This emblem shows that the quality of food substances like grains and fruits and partially processed foodstuffs like vermicelli is ensured. Children, have you noticed the details recorded on packets of food substances? Let's look what are the information provided on the packet. First, the signs indicating quality. Second, the packing date and the expiry date. Third, the proportions of ingredients. Fourth, the maximum retail price. The last, the signs indicating the use of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Okay children, let's wind up our today's class. Today we studied about adulteration. I hope all of you understood about adulteration. See you in the next class. Thank you.